A robot arm physically moves chess pieces on a real board. A drone that vanishes from its own footage. A vacuum that climbs your stairs. Alone. None of these are concepts. None is coming soon. They exist right now. And here's what's interesting. None of them are solving flashy problems. They're solving boring ones. The ones you've quietly accepted as part of life. Your robot vacuum stops at the stairs. Your selfie camera is terrible. Your mower leaves uncut grass every single time. You just lived with it. Today, that ends. We found 14 gadgets solving real, everyday problems in ways nobody expected. No gimmicks, no exaggerated claims, just genuinely impressive technology most people haven't heard of yet. Some are available right now, some are in pre-order. One is still a prototype, but so jaw-dropping it had to make the list. Links to everything are in the description below. Let's get into it. Gadget 1. SenseRobot Chess Mini. Most chess apps feel like playing against a calculator. Cold, lifeless, no tension, no soul. The SenseRobot Chess Mini changes that with something nobody else has pulled off. A dual robotic arm that physically moves real pieces on a real board with millimeter precision. It offers 19 difficulty levels from a complete beginner up to ELO 1700, plus an Apex dual mode pushing ELO 3200, Grandmaster territory. It connects to chess.com and Lichess, so when real humans play you online, the robot moves their pieces in real time. It fits in the footprint of a 13-inch laptop. Currently crowdfunding on Kickstarter at $399. Chess was always a great game. This makes it a great experience again. But this next one, I had to fact-check it twice before I believed it. Gadget 2. 1X Neo. Real talk, this one comes with a caveat, and it's worth hearing. The 1X Neo is a humanoid robot that walks through your home, opens doors, fetches items, and folds laundry. It weighs 66 pounds, operates at just 22 decibels, quieter than your fridge, and uses a soft, tendon-driven body designed to move safely around people. Here's the honest part. Early 2026 units still rely on human teleoperators who guide complex tasks remotely through a scheduled app. Full autonomy is still developing. It costs $20,000 and is currently available for pre-order. Is it perfect today? No. Is it the most serious attempt to bring a humanoid into a real home? Without question. The future just moved in, cautiously. Now we go from the most ambitious gadget on this list to one of the most practical. Gadget 3. Eufy Robot Lawn Mower E15 and E18. Setting up a robot mower used to mean digging trenches, burying wires, and hoping the dog didn't chew through them. The Eufy E15 and E18 skip all of that. They use RTK GPS and AI cameras to map and navigate your lawn with precision. No boundary wires, no trenches, no installation nightmare. The obstacle avoidance system identifies pets and toys before contact. The dual cut system leaves your lawn looking genuinely manicured, not just mowed. Here's the detail that gets me. There's nothing to install. You place it down, set a schedule, and walk away. No wires, no damage, no supervision needed. Your lawn has never had it this easy, and honestly, neither have you. If you're finding this useful, hit subscribe. We do this research so you don't have to. Now back to it. Gadget 4. SwitchBot Mini Robot Vacuum K20 Plus Pro. Every robot vacuum has a dirty little secret. There's always that spot, under the low sofa, behind the nightstand, the tight corner, where it stops, spins helplessly, and surrenders. The SwitchBot K20 Plus Pro was engineered specifically for those spots. Ultra-compact body, built to squeeze under low-clearance furniture that standard robots physically cannot reach. The Pro version adds a powerful auto-empty station so you're not constantly emptying the bin yourself. It doesn't just clean more places, it cleans the places that actually need it. Small footprint, serious suction, zero excuses. If your home is basically an obstacle course of furniture and tight corners, this is the one that doesn't flinch, doesn't stop, and doesn't give up. Speaking of going where robots shouldn't, this next one does something the entire industry called impossible. Gadget 5. Dream CyberX Bionic QuadTrack. Approximately 120 words. Stop me if you've heard this before. Our robot vacuum handles everything. Cool. Can it climb stairs? No? Then it doesn't handle everything. The Dream CyberX is a two-part system, a climbing carrier with 4 tank-like QuadTrack treads that physically transports your dream robot vacuum between floors. It scales full staircases, curved or straight, up to 25 centimeters high. The vacuum detaches at the top and cleans normally. Honest disclosure, this is still in the concept and prototype stage. No price or release date confirmed. Dream demonstrated it at IFA 2025 and CES 2026, and it genuinely works. But when this ships, it rewrites the rules for robot vacuums entirely. One to watch very closely. Now this one, I didn't expect to want as badly as I do. Gadget 6. Dnsys Z1 Knee Exoskeleton. What if your legs had a turbo mode? The Dnsys Z1 straps to your knees like a brace and delivers up to 50% power assistance to your thighs and calves, making you feel up to 44 pounds, 20 kilograms, lighter on climbs and descents. AI sensors read your gait in real time and activate assistance exactly when needed. At just 1.5 pounds per leg, it fits in a backpack and straps on in 15 seconds. It even features a kinetic energy recovery system. It recharges itself on the way downhill. Currently in pre-order phase, starting at around $699. Longer trails, sharper descents, less pain, faster recovery. Your knees have been filing complaints for years. The Z1 finally gives them an answer. Okay, from your legs to your living room. Gadget 7. Shark BlastBoss. Here's a question nobody asks. When did you last clean inside your car vents? Not around them, inside them. The Shark BlastBoss combines high-pressure air with targeted suction. The blast dislodges debris from deep crevices. The boss pulls it all out. Car vents, keyboard gaps, behind appliances, tight corners. Anywhere traditional vacuum attachments are simply too bulky to reach. Most cleaning tools work on surfaces. This one works in the gaps between surfaces. One tool, every neglected spot in your home and car. It's the kind of product that makes you realize just how much dirt you've been happily ignoring. Verify current availability and exact model name on Shark's official website before purchasing. From the tightest spots in your home to the quietest fan you've ever heard. Gadget 8. Dyson Bladeless Personal Fan. Fans have always had the same problem. They're either loud or weak, and usually both. Dyson's compact bladeless personal fan moves air at high velocity while staying nearly silent. No buffeting, no chopping noise, just a smooth, focused stream of cool, purified air aimed exactly where you need it. And that word, purified, matters. This isn't just circulating the same dusty air around the room, it's cleaning it. Designed for desk or bedside use, quiet enough to sleep beside, powerful enough to actually feel. The kind of product that feels obvious in hindsight because it removes the one flaw fans have always had. Check Dyson's official site for the latest model, pricing, and availability in your region. Now from your desk to your pocket. Gadget 9. Insta360 X5. Most cameras force a decision in the moment. Frame the shot now or lose it forever. The Insta360 X5 removes that pressure entirely. It shoots 8K 360-degree video with a 1/1.28-inch sensor, the same class as premium smartphones. Because it captures everything at once, you choose your angle after you shoot. Reframe in post. Pick the moment. Keep what works. It's waterproof to 10 meters with no case required. It fits in your pocket. Point it at a concert, a hike, a road trip, and every angle is already captured. No planning, no missed shots, no regrets. When a camera removes the pressure to be perfect in real time, that's when creativity actually starts flowing. And if you want to take that creativity into the sky, Gadget 10. Goalker H3 Pro robot mowers have a quiet problem nobody talks about. They finish the yard, then leave a perfect ring of uncut grass hugging every fence, wall, and flower bed. So you go back out with a string trimmer and finish the job manually. What exactly was the point? The Goalker H3 Pro solves this with a swing-out cutting deck that extends all the way to the edge. Walls, fences, borders, all of it. Reaching spots every other robot mower simply ignores. No trimming needed afterward, no follow-up. Genuinely finished when it says it's finished. They call it no trimming design. 6 words that give you back an entire Saturday. One robot, complete yard. Nothing left to do but enjoy it. From the ground to the sky. Gadget 11, Antigravity A1. Most drones force you to make a decision mid-flight. Frame the shot now or miss it. The Antigravity A1 removes that entirely. It captures 8K video in full 360 degrees using a dual lens system. One lens on top, one on the bottom. Advanced stitching powered by Insta360 makes the drone completely invisible in its own footage. You fly first, you frame later. Every angle is already captured. Sub 250 grams, meaning it's license-free in most countries. Launched December 2025, starting at $1,599. Niche? Yes. But for creators who've ever missed a shot mid-flight and felt that gut punch, this changes everything. Fly first, frame later. Never miss the moment again. And if you're flying that drone far from home, this next one is non-negotiable. Gadget 12, DJI Power 1000. Many drone pilots know the pain. Fly, land, wait an hour, repeat. The DJI Power 1000 Mini is a full 1 kilowatt-hour portable power station that fits in a backpack. Using DJI's super fast charge, it brings drone batteries to 80% in about 30 minutes. But it's not just for drones, laptops, lights, cameras, anything your outdoor kit demands. 1 kilowatt-hour of power, backpack-sized, weighs less than you'd expect. For creators who shoot away from outlets, this is the difference between a half day and a full day of work. Less waiting, more flying, more creating. Your gear has always been limited by power. The Power 1000 Mini just quietly removed that limitation, and most people haven't noticed yet. From big power to one brilliantly simple idea. Gadget 13, Insta360 Snap Selfie Screen. Here's a problem that's been hiding in plain sight for years. Your phone's best camera is on the back, but you can't see yourself when you use it. So you either get a great shot you can't frame, or a mediocre front cam shot you can see perfectly. You've been choosing between quality and visibility this whole time. The Insta360 Snap Selfie Screen is a magnetic display that snaps to the back of your phone. Use the rear camera. See yourself in real time. No apps, no cables, no adapters. Snap it on, shoot. It's one of those ideas that's so obviously useful you can't believe nobody built it sooner. Simple, immediate, genuinely overdue. And finally, the one that's a little ridiculous and completely wonderful. Gadget 14, Loona Deskmate. And finally, this isn't just a gadget, it's something you actually connect with. The Loona Deskmate is a compact AI-powered robot that lives right on your desk. Here's the problem. Most smart devices feel cold and lifeless. They respond, but they don't react. Loona changes that. It recognizes your face, follows your movement, and reacts to touch like a real pet. Pet it? It gets excited. Ignore it? It looks like your attention. It even shows emotions through its eyes and behavior. But it's not just cute. It can set reminders, timers, and help organize your day. So it's both assistant and companion. And the more you use it, the more personality it builds. Perfect for workspaces, because sometimes you need tech that feels alive. So yeah, These gadgets aren't just futuristic. They solve real problems, save time, and honestly, make life a bit more fun. If even one of these made you think, yeah, I need that, then you already know this was worth it. And if you think this was crazy, wait till you see what's coming next.